with the today's session, and I could see many of my students here, and few people are new. So, great. So it's good to have you all here today evening. And just to introduce myself, I'm Dr. Bhavna Khera, founder and CEO of MRCOG Courses and chief mentor too. Me and my team will assist you throughout your course, and we'll take you to the next of your life's career, that is which you have chosen, MRCOG, and we will be assisting you throughout till you achieve your dream degree. So here we talk about the smartest and the easiest path. The tagline of our courses: ensure success in 70% less study time. So in this video, I'm going to talk about all the important points about MRCOG, right? What all MRCOG involves, what are the parts, what is the syllabus for part 1, what you need to study for part 1, what are the techniques to study, and finally, how we help you to study for the exam in 70% less study time. So let's start. In between, I'll be happy if you can anytime stop me and ask your questions. I'll be very happy to solve all those. And of course, in the end, you will also have the opportunity to ask your questions as well. I always love interactive sessions. Therefore, my live sessions are always interactive, right? It's never a one-side lecture. Always we solve a lot of questions in our live sessions just to make it more interactive. Because I believe lectures are the worst way of studying, because the people on the other side, they can easily sleep with the lecture. So it has to be interactive. So with a 100% pass rate in MRCOG Part 1 and the top score of 90%, we have cracked the formula for success, which I'm going to share with you today. So welcome to the Part 1 orientation to discover how you can achieve the same score, the same pass rate efficiently and stress-free. So that's my motto. My motto is not just to make you pass, but to make it stress-free for you all. See, at this stage of life, we have a lot of things going around. We don't want any added stress, but yet we should get our degree. So is there any way out? Yes, there's a way out. So as you can see with our superstars, Dr. Dhatri, she started preparing just 2 months before the exam, and just 1 to 2 hours of the day, she could crack the exam. This is
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Monica Margaret. I scored 89% in my MRCOG Part 1 this January 2024 session. Thanks to Dr. Bhavna ma'am's course. I simply followed her schedule, attended all her sessions, and especially the Telegram group discussions, which were very helpful. And with that, I was able to score 89%. 80% of the questions were simply from her discussions only. So you don't need any other material or any other preparation. So thanks again, Dr. Bhavna madam. You made it very easy for me to get through this exam. I am looking forward for my part 2 as well. Thank you.
So that's how it works. Definitely, it's going to work for you too. So we will just not talk about how it can be done. MRCOG Part 1 journey. Why it feels tough? Why it feels tough? You all can answer, right? For how many years you have been thinking about MRCOG, but yet could not get the courage to sign up for that? Anybody? You can share your experience. For how many years you are thinking of doing the MRCOG? But you were always like, oh my God, whether I'll be able to do or not. Yes, somebody would like to share the experience. You can unmute and speak.
Ma'am, almost
2 years.
10 years now.
Same here, ma'am. A decade for me.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's what I mean to say, that with a lot of things around in our life, work, family, kids, career, many things going up, we keep on postponing our dream because we think that, oh my God, who's going to do that, right? So many candidates struggle. It's not only you, it's everybody's story. Only 2 and 3 you are sharing your story, but I think at the back of mind, everybody has the same story. So many candidates struggle with, because you think there is an overwhelming syllabus, time consuming self-study. I'm already so much busy. From where I could get this time? Unstructured preparation. I don't know where I will get the resources, good resources to study. Confusion over which resources to trust. And there is no guidance, proper guidance available. So what it leads to? The total chaos and the confusion, and we keep on postponing and postponing our decision. But today, you have taken a very good decision to start your journey finally, and you are at a right place also. So, but what if there was a proven smarter way? When I say proven, why I should say that this is a proven technique? So, passed in less than 2 months study, we are proud to have students from more than 22 countries. We are proud to have a trust of students from not only India, but 22 countries across the globe.
I'm Dr. Bire from Nigeria. I want to use this medium to thank Dr. Bawakera and MRC OG Courses Tutorial Group for assisting me and guiding me through my preparation towards my MRCOG Part 1 exam. Honestly, I'm not sure without joining that group I would have been where I am today. I prepared for the exam in less than 2 months and joined her tutorial group, which made it so concise yet well detailed. Considering the responsibilities at hand, it wasn't easy, but with her group and her mode of teaching, I must say she's a patient and excellent teacher that knows exactly what one needs to pass the exam. I sat for the exam and I smashed it. I want to thank God and I want to thank Dr. Bawakera for guiding me through. And I want to encourage anyone that wants to prepare for MRCOG exams, whether part 1, 2, or 3. MRCOG courses organized by Dr. Bawakera is the way to go. Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless you. Bye.
So meet your mentor, your shortcut to success. I have been exactly where you are now. I was in the same shoes, but then what happened? But with the right strategies, my students have achieved 90% in MRCOG Part 1, maintained 100% pass rate following the method, and studied 70% less while getting maximum results. So now I'm here to guide you step by step to ensure your success. The harsh reality of self-study and the other courses is most candidates who try to prepare alone waste months figuring out what to study, feel stuck. No one is there to clear their doubts, struggle with the tricky single best answers without proper explanation. See, what is the problem with the single best answers? Usually, you think that out of five options, one will be correct, but it's not so. Many a times, even 2 options are correct, right? But then you have to understand what RCUG wants, what RCUG is looking for, and why, how to choose the best among 2 correct options as well. So there are tricks which we need to learn. End up repeating the exam, losing time and money. There is a huge amount of time, huge amount of money at stake when you are appearing, and of course, a lot of emotions involved. So other courses, they overload you with the information without simplifying it. You could see many courses around which will give you a lot of information, but the problem is you have to take up that all information and process it, right? So, but we don't have time to do that. So what if anybody just concises it and gives you? That's the best thing to do at this critical moment. So often the first question asked by any candidate, whenever the candidate calls me, she thinks about the MRCOG and just finds out number from somewhere. The first question is, ma'am, would I be able to do? Would I be able to do? So most frequently asked question. Can you guess what will be the most frequently asked question? Can you guess which is the most frequently asked question from the candidates, aspiring candidates who want to do MRCOG? Anybody?
No time. Ma'am, no time. How to prepare?
Yeah. Anything else?
How many months will it take, or how long will it take for us to prepare for the exam?
Yes. You all are very close to the same question, right? Anybody else?
Ma'am, how to fit with our daily schedule of, MS OBG
Yes,
posting
yes,
and
yes.
everything.
So what I figured out is most frequently asked question is how many hours I need to study daily. Is this whatever you all were saying? This was
Yes,
the question
yes,
behind it?
yes.
Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
This everybody meant the same. Like how much time I have to spend for this study? Can I do this with the busy schedule? Can I do it easily? Behind every question, everybody wants to know how many hours. How can I take that hours, right? So what if I just say you I need only 30 minutes in a day? How does it seem?
It's almost unbelievable, ma'am.
It's almost unbelievable, yeah. But when people see they have done 1 to 2 hours, they have spent and they have done in 2 months. I just now showed you the reviews, right? So what if you are preparing for 4 months? Isn't it 30 minutes? It's a simple maths, no?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Simple calculation, right? So let me share the secret. The secret of passing exam with ease.
Hi, I just cleared my Part 1 MRCOG. I had joined with Dr. Bhavna's MRCOG courses. Just followed what she had told. Only her schedule, only her notes, only her lectures, only her question papers, only her recalls, her live sessions, Telegram group discussions, nothing else. Not even another reference I had taken from anywhere else. Didn't follow any other groups because my friends all had told there are many other groups also, but I didn't go anywhere. Just follow Dr. Bhavna, that's all. And whoever is planning to join, I would just say, just listen to her, just follow her schedule. You will just go in flowers. That's it.
So this is how we save the time. You don't have to go here and there and search for the study groups, anything, nothing, no books, no papers, no question banks, only what we provide, the focused thing that you have to study. That's how you actually spare your time. So what is the secret formula? Study less, score more. 70% less study time. How I am doing? I'm not just saying we cut out all unnecessary content. Many of the people may actually be saying that we have so many features, we provide you this, we provide you that, but we don't have time to go for any such features. We cut out all unnecessary content. Exam focused approach. We talk about only the topics which will highly yield in your exams, which will give you the maximum scores. So targeted single best answers and high yield topics only. The exam is not going to see, the examiner is not going to see whether you have solved 4,000 questions in the back or 1,000 questions during the preparation. It is only those 200 questions which are coming in exam, they matter for your result. So what if those 200 are included in your 1,000 questions? Would you prefer solving 1,000 or you prefer solving 4,000? What do you say?
1,000.
1,000 and just targeting the one which is correct. So structured plan, you always know what to study next. Complete plan is there with you. Proven results. And I'm not saying that this may work. I'm saying this has been working for last many years. Now it's your turn to follow. So what is the agenda today? We'll understand what a MRCOG exam is all about. What are the document prerequisites we need? Part 1 exam format. What are the syllabus intricacies? What is the recommended reading by RCOG? And what is the recommended reading by us? And how we ensure this 100% success. So let's take them all one by one. So what is the MRCOG exam? It's a 3-part exam, right? Part 1, which you all are now going to start with. Part 1 has all your MBBS subjects. Part 2 has your OBS and Gynae, right? And Part 3 is your practical exam. That is the OSCE exam, which will be face-to-face. So part 1, part 2, and part 3. In part 1, we have all single best answers, right? Single best answers, which means there is a stem in the question and there are 5 options. You will choose the single best option. Mind you, this is not single correct option. This is single best option. In part 2, you have 2 types of questions, single best answer and extended matching questions. And part 3 is face-to-face, oral, viva. You have to be with the role players. You have to be with the student, teaching them. So there are multiple things. So this is part 1, part 2, and part 3. Once you go through all this, then you get your convocation cap and the congrats moment steps in. What are the important deadlines, right? We all are preparing for the July 2025 exam. So what is important? Part 1 eligibility deadline. If you have not done your eligibility application till now and you want to appear for the July exam, then 11th March 2025 is the eligibility submission deadline. You have to submit your application before 11th March. After that, another important deadline is expression of interest. There is a form which is expression of interest form, which means that you are interested in appearing for the next upcoming exam. So if you want to appear for the July exam, you have to fill this form prior to 25th March. 25th March is the deadline. Once you have got your eligibility application is approved by the RCOG, and you have timely filled your expression of interest, you will get a booking link on 22nd April, right? 1 to 2 days prior to 22nd April, because the window will open on 22 April. So from that booking link, you can book your exam from 22 April onwards. And when you book your exam, you have to pay the exam fee as well. And the booking window closes on 3rd June, right? So booking window then closes on the 3rd June. So booking window will close on the 3rd June. So Dr. Rahima, how do you know if eligibility is approved by the RCOG? You will get a mail from RCOG mentioning that your eligibility application has been approved. If you have already applied for the eligibility and they need some documents, they will mail you back. And if they haven't mailed you, then the mail will come, which will have that mention that the eligibility application is approved. It usually takes almost 2 months for the eligibility application to get approval. So one should not wait for the eligibility approval and then start the studies, because most of you will get the eligibility approval by end of March or first week of April. And if you start studying from that day onwards, then it's only 2 months left, right? You may choose to prepare in 2 months, but I think when you have decided to go for the July exam, then start studying early. This will not build a pressure on you. Please guide your link for eligibility application at your convenience. Yeah, I'm going to show the video link, which is going to guide you through the process. And of course, you can always I'm also giving you the scanner, the barcode, which you can scan and connect with me in the meeting as well. Is credit card only mode of accepted payment? Yes, credit card is the mode of accepted payment. Sometimes debit cards also work, but UPI, they do not have any option because the payment is in pounds and the money goes to UK. So mostly it is the credit card, but sometimes some debit cards can work. So you should have international transaction credit card for that, right? And finally, the exam is on 1st July 2025 and 30th July results will be released. Yeah, yes. Fine, okay. So what are the document prerequisites? So one is eligibility application and another is expression of interest, right? So this is one of my videos which you can find in our YouTube channel, MRCOG courses by Bhavna Khera. Registering and applying at RCOG, a quick guide. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then you can just find the YouTube channel by our name, that is MRCOG Courses by Bhavna Khera. And you can just subscribe to that. You will find many interesting videos for the MRCOG exam preparation, and everything about the syllabus and everything in detail is there in the videos. This is also one of the video which will really guide you step by step through your exam. Right, so this is the way you can do. And there is another video which you will also find how to book exam. This video explains about how to book the exam when you have a booking link, then how to pay, how to go, how to choose your exam center. These all details are there in this particular video. So these two videos will help you a lot in doing so. But still, if you find any confusion, you want to connect with me, you can book your free meeting slot by just scanning this code, right? So connect with me through Calendly by scanning my barcode. So what is the MRCOG Part 1 exam format? So there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Both of the papers, they have 100 questions, 100 single best answers in the paper 1 and 100 single best answers in the paper 2, right? And in the result, 50% is contributed by paper 1 and 50% marks will be contributed by the paper 2. And you have to pass in the total, right? Part 1, paper 1 plus paper 2, you have to pass. There is no fixed cutoff for the passing. Passing cutoff is decided by the candidate's performance. Overall, how the candidates have performed, how an average candidate will perform. According to that, a cutoff is set by the RCOG, and those who are above that cutoff will pass. Those who are below that cutoff will not be able to succeed. So therefore, it's like how it does not matter whether the paper is tough or easy or how it is, because finally everybody's performance will be like that only. So usually the cutoff is somewhere between 62% to 67-68%, right? So in this range. So when I prepare my candidates, I always tell them to target 75%, right? If they are, whatever mocks they are doing with us or whatever preparations they are doing with us, if they are targeting more than 75% in those things, then I would say, yes, you will pass 100%. But if I find that any candidate is repeatedly getting below 75%, then he needs special attention. And that's what we keep on checking about, so that you keep staying above 75%. And that's how you ensure your success. So this is the exam format. This is single best answers, right? So 24-year-old presents at 27 weeks into her second pregnancy, feeling unwell with backache, fever, and rigors. She has a temperature of 39.5. Urine analysis shows leukocytes and protein plus. Her blood pressure is 80/50. Which action is most appropriate? What do you think? Anybody
A.
can answer in the chat
A.
box too.
Admit in ICU.
Ma'am,
A. Correct. That's correct. So basically, this is about sepsis, right? Patient is in sepsis. So first thing is to admit in ICU HDU for intravenous antibiotics and have a supportive care. Regarding the CTG analysis, what is the accepted normal range for variability?
ma'am, C, 5 to
C.
15 weeks.
Correct. That's correct. 5 to 15 is the correct answer. Although it is actually 5 to 25, but here the best option is 5 to 15. This is the part 1 syllabus. So paper 1 has anatomy, biochemistry, embryology, endocrinology, epidemiology, statistics, genetics, physiology. Paper 2 has biophysics, clinical management, data interpretation, immunology, microbiology, pathology, and pharmacology. Everybody gets scared to see the long list of subjects, right? But don't worry, everything is so concise that it will be very easy for you to cover the whole point of view. Subjects which need special attention. So in paper 1, I think the statistics, endocrinology and genetics, they are the subjects which actually bring the percentage of the people down who do not prepare, right? But with preparation, just by solving 50 questions of statistics, you will score 100% in statistics. And that will be the subject which is going to increase your percentage. Because if you solve it, you just rock it, because it's like maths, right? So it's so simple that if you practice 50 questions I give you and you practice this 10 times, who can stop you from taking 100% marks in statistics? Nobody can, right? Endocrinology is confusing, but if you have simple flow charts, simple algorithms, when to choose what, it's done. Genetics, we talk about pedigrees, we do a lot of practice and students knock it. In paper 2, clinical management, data interpretation and pathology. So now you must be thinking, why clinical management? We have been practicing obstetrics and gynecology for so many years. We can just answer the questions very well. Clinical management should be the most easiest subject rather, because this is what we practice. But the problem is we practice by our own country's rules. We don't practice according to the RCOG guidelines. So this is the subject where actually the bias comes. When we look at the question, the management we think about is according to what we are practicing, right? And that's the biggest deterring factor, because that's going to make the questions wrong. If you are not following the RCOG rules, that's actually going to make it wrong. So here, the problem is we have to unlearn our concepts and we have to relearn what RCOG prefers. So again, for part 1, we don't need all the guidelines. We don't need to review the guidelines. But what if I give you the guideline in a one slide? Would you be able to review? If I just give you one single guideline in one slide, how does it sound? Does it sound easy?
Of course, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. That's what we are going to do. Data interpretation, you will have a very nice tables. Just go through those tables and you will remember, right? So that's not going to bring you down. That's my promise. The recommended study plan. So read, revise, and reproduce, right? So if anybody who's trying to plan, or I mean, many new students are also there who are not yet our students, but if they are planning to study with a self-study, then this is the way it is. Read, revise, and reproduce. Read from the books, make your notes, and do the practice questions. Revise from the RCOG e-learning, that is the RCOG platform. Recalls, do the recalls thoroughly. They are very important. You should have some kinds of mock exams and see that you are able to solve the questions in time. That's also very important. So because you see that it's a 2.5 hour exam, right? So 150 minutes and 100 questions. So you can't spend much time on every question. You have to be very prepared for that. We also take you through the 3 steps: read, revise, and reproduce. But for us, students who are with us, read is only the PDFs which I am providing. Revise, we do the revision. Our first 2.5 months are for the all subjects. Then for next 1.5 months, we revise. That's included in your full course. You don't have to enroll again. The revision, the recalls is done in next 1.5 months. And finally, before you go to the exam, we have mock exams. Almost 14 mock tests are there, so that you are very well prepared for your exam. These are the recommended books: Genong's Physiology, Biochemistry, Last Anatomy, Medical Genetics, Microbiology, Pathologic Basis of Disease. Robbins seems very scary, but what is recommended by us? Video sessions and the PDF notes, which we provide. Then attend our live sessions. Whatever worksheets are there on your website, solve those. Join the Telegram group discussions, which I used to take. I'm taking in 2 times at least in the week. Then recall assessments and live sessions is the revision part. First, you have read all this. You have gone through the video sessions, PDFs, attended the live sessions. Live sessions are all recorded and posted on the website in next 24 hours. So you can revise it again and again. Do all your practice questions which are there on the website. Telegram group discussion. Then where we do the revision, recall assessments and live sessions. And then comes the mock test. And this is how, that is the recommended reading by us. No need to go through all the books which RCOG has mentioned. So how we make it easier than any other course? Step-by-step guidance, no confusion, just follow the structured plan. Hand-picked sources, no wasting time on useless material. Live doubt sessions, get clarity instantly. You can post your questions and you will be answered very quickly. Smart tests, learn exam techniques effortlessly, and personalized mentorship. You are never alone in your journey. As I've shown you the Calendly barcode, that's always available to you. You can always connect with me and go through the exams. So first, as we start our course, we are starting our course from the 5th February. So as we start, first thing, we'll start with the first subject, that is the anatomy. So in anatomy, I'll give you a day-to-day schedule. There are almost 6 video sessions in the anatomy, right? So I'll give you a schedule like that. This particular day, you have to go through video session 1. This particular day, you have to solve the worksheet 1. Then third day, listen to video session 2. Then solve the worksheet. Like this, I'll give you the schedule. And after you have listened to all those 4-5 videos, then we meet in the live session. In live session, we will talk about the most important part of the anatomy, from where the maximum questions will come. And we will solve the questions also in the live session to make it most interactive, right? And after that, there will be 2-3 days further to solve all the remaining part of the questions which you haven't solved till now. Or you want to revise, you can do that. And then you get a test link and you do the test. Test is sent in the form of link, which you can attempt at your own convenience. And then you solve and then you see where do you stand. Anytime you can ask your queries in the Telegram course group, right? This is how we are going to cover each and every subject one by one. Before 5th, the schedule will be posted in your Telegram group and it will be updated on your website account as well. And there you can see for how many days we are going to cover what subject, right? And what are the dates of the live session, so that if at all you want to adjust your duties or you want to adjust your routine, that you can do beforehand only, right? And finally, if at all, due to some emergency, because everybody is practicing, you may have some emergencies, some of you might be having their duties. So in that case, as I told you, the recordings are posted on the website within next 24 hours. So first we will start with uploaded video sessions. Then simultaneously we will do the question practice. Then we will meet in the live session. And finally, after completing all subjects, we will do the assessments and this will help us achieve the degree.
Actually, I was very much reluctant to study MRCOG, think that will I get time to study in between this busy schedule. But this course is so excellent one in such a way that it takes much less study time. It's also ready to help you at any time. If you have any doubts, you can ask her. She is a very much knowledgeable person. So not only I could pass the exam, I could pass it with 84% marks with much less study time. So actually, I was very much
So why choose this course over everything else? Self-study, time-consuming, confusing, no expert help. If you choose other courses, overload of content. And with us, fast, efficient, exam-focused, 100% proven success. If anybody wants to take the trial, this is the scan code for the trial offer. That's very much you can do anytime. Or why struggle alone when success is guaranteed with our method? Join today and start preparing the smart way. Success isn't about studying harder. It's about studying smarter with the right mentor. Let's make your MRCOG dream a reality together. So ensure your success with us in 70% less study time. So I hope I gave you the quick overview of what MRCOG Part 1 exam is, how course is going to help you, and a course is going to start on 5th of February. I again repeat, and those who have joined the course, they are already added in the Telegram course group, right? And they already have the website access, so they can start their video sessions from there. And just keep watching your Telegram course group. Switch on your notifications. So switch on your notifications so that you get idea of what is being done in the group. I'll keep, whenever I post any message, which is important for all of you, I pin that message. So you will get all the information, and you will also get information on the mail as well. How do we enroll and how much? It is 2999 INR, right? 2999 INR. So that is the cost. So this is basically my website link, Bhavna Khera, mykajabi.com. You can just click on this link and you can go directly to the website, and there you can go with the part 1. Or this is my phone number, which you can save, and you can get in touch with me on my WhatsApp, or you can connect on this number on the Telegram also, Bhavna Khera MRCOG. So anyway, you can connect with me. So that's how it's going to be. Dollars, I think it's somewhere around $240, approximately. Right? So that's it. And if anybody of you want to get the information on the mail, you can leave your email address here in the chat box. So, or you can leave your phone number here. Anyway, wherever you want the information, we can send you the information as well. And if you all have filled that form, registration form, which you got for the orientation link, then we can also share you from, we can get your email from there also and share. Yes, Dr. Vansa, thank you. We'll send you this information on your, this is your WhatsApp number, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay, so we'll share you on the WhatsApp as well as on your email. We'll do that. How long do we have access to the course? Oh yeah, that's a very beautiful thing of our course. You just need to enroll once, and then you just stay there till you pass. Like if anyway anything goes, you don't want to appear in the July, your fees will not go waste, and you can still keep studying with us till you pass. So it's not bound by the months. Yeah, that's a very beautiful feature of our course. I forgot to mention, it's an unlimited access till you pass. Yeah. So because I believe that for RCOG, sometimes things go wrong. You don't know, you're not able to book the exam. And we all are into the different phases of life. Sometimes because of some family circumstances or something, you are not able to appear. Then your fees is not going to get waste. So that's a pretty cool thing. So those who want the information can leave your email address. I already got the email address and the phone number, so I'll just share the information.
Ma'am, I have a query. How many attempts are we allowed? Like, I'm not talking about part 1, about part 2 and 3. Is there a limit to the number of attempts?
It's 7 attempts you can do for part 1, 7 for part 2, and 4 for part 3.
Okay, okay.
If you want to practice in UK, then it is 6. But if you don't want to practice in UK, then it is 7. But it's too much, yeah. No,
Yeah,
no.
of course, ma'am. No. Another thing is that what I understand from what you said. Now, suppose I've already enrolled for a particular exam, but for whatever reason I cannot write, so I can do it in the next slot, right, ma'am? From what I understand, do I have to
Yes,
pay again or?
definitely.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes. Okay, fine.
You
Thank you,
just have
ma'am.
to pay once and then you can
Yes.
keep studying till you pass and go join us in the next step,
Okay.
right? Yeah, yes. Yeah, all the email IDs who have sent here, they will be getting the information on your mail. And those who have left the phone number as well will send on the WhatsApp as well. Right? Any other questions from anyone? Mm-hmm. Sure. Yes. Any other questions from anyone? Mm-hmm. Great. So I think that's the best thing that we are introducing a new feature of recalls community as well. Because recalls are a very, very important part of the exam. So we are coming up with a separate recalls community, which will be the part, which will be accessible to all the course students. And there you can always, if you want to see the recalls subject wise, because initially when you are preparing subjects, you want to see the recalls subject wise so that you can just go and check those questions and know that you have covered all those which is asked in the exam. So that way also you can go and check the recalls. And finally, when you want to see whether you have covered the recalls from all the years, then you can check them year-wise as well. So that feature we are just going to come up in next 1 month or so, and that would be the best feature which no course is providing. Actually, we have many unique features. We are already doing this in 70% less study time. We have 100% pass rate. We have unlimited access, which nobody provides. And now this recall community is another step which will be beyond everybody. Right? Okay. Thank you so much for having you all here joining. Thank you so much for joining today. And see you all in the course on 5th February. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you. If you
you,
still
ma'am.
have any questions, this is my phone number. This is my WhatsApp number, Telegram number. You can get in touch with me as well. Right? And we'll be sharing the details to all those who have left your email IDs here. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.